Getting your DeLonghi portable air conditioner set up properly is essential for efficient cooling. We'll walk through the unboxing process and critical setup steps to ensure your unit operates safely and effectively. Start by carefully unboxing your DeLonghi portable air conditioner. You should find 5 essential components: the main AC unit, exhaust hose, window bracket kit, remote control, and user manual. Check that all components are present before proceeding. Position your air conditioner on a flat, level surface with at least 20 inches of clearance from walls to ensure proper air circulation. Place it near both a window for venting and an appropriate electrical outlet. Avoid heat sources and direct sunlight. Critical safety note: if your air conditioner was transported or stored horizontally, you must allow it to stand upright for a full 24 hours before plugging it in. This waiting period prevents potential compressor damage from oil displacement. Now attach the exhaust hose to the back of the unit. Twist the hose counterclockwise onto the exhaust port until you achieve a tight, secure connection. This connection is crucial. Any air leaks will allow hot air to re-enter the room, reducing cooling efficiency. Your DeLonghi portable air conditioner is now properly set up and ready for the window installation phase. You've identified all components, positioned the unit correctly, waited the required time if needed, and securely attached the exhaust hose. These essential setup steps ensure safe and efficient operation. Installing the window bracket is the crucial first step for proper ventilation. The bracket must fit securely to create an effective seal. Next, connect the exhaust hose to both the air conditioner unit and the window bracket. Ensure all connections are tight to prevent hot air from re-entering the room. Understanding error codes helps you quickly resolve common issues. The most frequent codes are P1 for a full water tank and HL for high temperature conditions. Regular filter cleaning is essential for optimal performance. Clean filters ensure proper airflow and maintain the unit's cooling efficiency. Check and clean filters weekly during heavy use. Proper window kit installation and regular maintenance ensure your portable air conditioner operates efficiently. Remember to check connections, monitor error codes, and clean filters regularly for optimal cooling performance.